Real estate term of the day, exclusive right of sale listing. This is an agreement between the seller and the broker, which is also the best agreement from a broker's point of view. Why? Because it doesn't matter who buys the property, the broker will be paid. What does this mean? Well, let's say the owner has a friend, a cousin, a brother, sister that's interested in the house. The broker will still receive a commission. Will it be reduced? Most likely, they will negotiate to try to reduce the full commission instead of making 6 or 5. Hey, let's make it 4.5, or something more in the middle. These things happen in this business. However, all brokers or most brokers only use this type of agreement. It could be in the MLS, and that's another reason why a broker uses this agreement. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want a one-on-one tutoring session to try and pass the Florida real estate exam, whether it's agents or broker, please pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you.